Hey everyone, Vic here. Welcome to the channel. This is a quick video to show you how to find all of your pictures and videos on your Windows 11 laptop. You might have lost some pictures and have some pictures you didn't even know you had, and you're going to find them through this method. You could even use it to find Excel spreadsheets or Word docs. But the first thing is you want to be inside File Explorer. If you're not already in File Explorer, you can always just go to it and you start typing File in the search bar, and File System here is the first one that comes up, and it brings you right here. So now that you're in File Explorer, that's where you're gonna go. Let's say you want to find all of your pictures in your Documents folder. So go to the folder that you want to use. Typically, the Documents folder is one of your biggest folders that you're going to have, and then you can even do a deep dive into the C drive. So what you want to do is you want to go right up here to the top, and you want to type in kind. And then you could do image. You want to go ahead and you could type image, or you can even type picture. All right, it's both going to bring up the same thing. And no matter what type of picture it is, whether it's a PNG or a bitmap or art file or any other type of file that's out here, I don't need that no more, you're going to go ahead and find it. Okay, and this tells you, because I'm in details here, I'm in view details. So it shows me all of these. Is going to show the file location. I could expand this to see the actual file location. Okay. Now, if you want to find your videos, what do you think I got to type? Exactly. You're going to find video. So you're going to type video, and it's going to bring up all of your video files. You can even do this on Word docs by typing in doc or typing in Excel. Now, here's the thing. If you don't have this search bar up on your screen here, that's why I had the on-screen keyboard here. What you want to do is you want to hit the F3 button. Now, if I don't see the F3 up here at the top of my screen, but most keyboards, this is my on-screen keyboard. You don't need your on-screen keyboard. But most keyboards have what's called a function key, FN. Once you do this, now all my function keys pop up. And this here is the F3. Now, keep an eye on this. You're going to see this light up once I hit the F3. Boom. So now it brings me right here. So if you didn't already have this on your File Explorer, that'll bring it up. Now, if you really want to do a deep dive, you're going to go into this PC and your local disk C. And this is going to do a deep dive into your entire hard drive. So if you got a 450 gigabyte or 1 terabyte hard drive, it's going to take a while. This here was running a while before it showed up, and it's got zillions of files in it. And it's also looking in your Windows directory, in your program files directory. It's going to be a lot of pictures you don't need, but sometimes more is better, but sometimes more can be confusing. But if you're really, really looking for some stuff, you might be able to find it this way. So I hope that helps. And with that, if you find value here, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the very next one.